Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak, eggs, and potatoes. First, select a quality steak, such as a ribeye or sirloin, about 1 inch thick. Season it generously with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Allow your steak to rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This ensures a more even cook and a perfectly tender result every time. Now let's cook that steak. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Sear the steak for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a medium-rare finish. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and fresh rosemary or thyme to baste the steak. For the potatoes, toss diced russets with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until crispy. Next up, the eggs. You can prepare them exactly how you like them. For perfectly fried eggs, crack them into a lightly buttered pan over medium heat and cook until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny, usually about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer scrambled, whisk 2 or 3 eggs with a splash of milk or cream. Then gently stir them in a non-stick pan over low heat until soft and fluffy. Don't overcook them. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Allow your cooked steak to rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This keeps the juices inside. Slice the steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. Arrange your beautifully cooked steak, golden crispy potatoes, and fluffy eggs on a plate. A sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley adds a lovely finish. Enjoy your incredible homemade steak, eggs, and potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.